Hello everybody, welcome back to Grassroots NASCAR Racing. So today we are going to be firing up the Pennzoil car. If you can't get these cars out to the track, it's good to start them up every now and then, get the engine turned, get it warmed up, and that's what we're going to do today. But before we do that, if you could do me a favor, like this video, and more importantly, subscribe to the channel. So what we're going to do today, I've got the car out already, and we are going to fire it up, warm it up. But to do that, we got to go through a little bit of a process. Now I've already plugged the car in to warm up the oil, so the oil should be up to temperature. The next step that we are going to do is we are going to remove the belt down there for the dry sump pump, and then we are going to spin that dry sump pump, and that's going to cycle the oil through the engine, build up a little bit of oil pressure, be sure that everything is good and lubricated before we fire it up. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we got the belt off right there. Gonna stick this handy dandy tool on there. Spin that bad boy around a little bit. Alright guys, so we got that oil cycled through. Next step is just to fire it up. So let's do that. Now, I will say that it does not usually like to idle too well when it's still cold, so we'll just play with it for a little bit and let it warm up, and then hopefully we can get it idling and see what she sounds like. She sounds really, really mean. This thing is a beast. Alright guys, here we go. guys, what'd you think of that? Sounds pretty good, huh? I love the smell of that race gas. It's so good. But yeah, we're just gonna let it cool down a little bit now. We got the fan going. We'll let it cool down a little bit, and then we'll get it back into the shop. So hopefully soon, sometime in this first couple months, we're going to try and get this thing finally on the track. There's a road course down here in Houston on the south side called MSR, so we'll try and get it down there and see what this thing can do a little bit. But anyway, thank you for joining me today, and like I said, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next one. Take care.